Good morning children, welcome to our class. Today we have social class. Now in your previous class in your previous class I gave some question and answers and hard words. Where I stopped? From second question I stopped. Now let's see third question. What is our third question? Describe the importance of Himalayas. Himalayas are the most significant geographical structure of the India. They comprise the most dominating geographic features of India. The Himalayas are the body and soul of the India. In a very special measures, Himalayas form the India's national mountain system. These are our about Himalayas. This is our third question. Please copy in your classwork, children. Now let's see next one. What is our fourth question? What is a glacier? A slowly moving mass or river of ice formed by accumulation of snow on mountains or near the pole is called glacier. Okay, children. This is third and fourth question answers. Please copy in your classworks neatly. Let's see next fifth question. Name the three ranges of the Himalayas. Please children, keep one notebook, classwork for social. Please copy this. Shall I repeat? Okay, children. Now next question. What is our next question? Fifth one. Name the three ranges of the Himalayas. Name the three ranges of the Himalayas. Name the three ranges of the Himalayas. Of the Himalayas. What is our answer? Please children copy this. The three ranges of Himalayas are first one, Great Himalayan Range. The Great Himalayan Range. Now, second one, the Lesser Himalayas. The Lesser Himalayas. The Lesser Himalayas. And third one is what? The Outer Himalayan Range. The Outer Himalayan Range. The three ranges of the Himalayas are: first one, the Great Himalayan Range; second one, the Lesser Himalayas; and third one, the Outer Himalayan Range. Okay, children, copy this one. Let's see sixth question. What are the functions of the Himalayas? What are the functions of Himalayas? What are the functions of the Himalayas? Please children copy these question answers in your class work. Please post in your group. Whatever you write, that one post in our group. That are post in our group. Now next, the Himalayas act as natural boundaries for India they functions as an effective barrier for the enemy. Please children copy this. What are the functions of the Himalayas? The Himalayas act as natural boundaries for India. They function as an effective barrier for the enemy. Okay children, copy this. Now let's see last one. Name few religious places which are located in the Himalaya ranges. Now shall I add the whole fifth one? What is our seventh question? Name few religious places which are located in the Himalayas ranges. Which are located in the Himalayan range. Himalayan ranges. Okay children, this is our question, last question. Name few religious places which are located in the Himalayan ranges. What is our answer? Amarnath, Vaishnava Devi, Badrinath, Kedarnath, Gangotri, Yamunotri, and Uttarakhand. Etc. These are religious places. These are our question and answers. In next class, I will be give fill in the blanks, yes or no, match the following. Okay, children. This is our question and answers. Up to 7 question answers. Name few religious places which are located in the Himalayan ranges. Amarnath, Vaishnava Devi, Badrinath, Kedarnath, Gangotri, Yamunotri and Uttarakhand, these etc. Okay children, still any doubts, please ask me in our WhatsApp group. Okay children, take care, bye, see you.